Hi there, it's Neil again. I'm back and welcome to my living room. And today I am looking at the good stuff. It's the Blackhead removal tools with mirrored travel case. So it's got all the different tools listed on the back, but let's have a look and see what we get inside of this thing. So open it up. Comes in a little plastic thing here. I guess it's got the cardboard to keep them all from sliding out, and comes a little card. I don't know, just the good stuff. I mean, it really isn't very deep of a card. Okay, so here's the tools. So let's see what it comes with and see how durable they look. And it's weird. And I'm sitting here as an old guy, and I got a lot of the little zits and stuff that pop up over here, so I hate it. So this one here, it's called the angle loop, I guess. And it removes clusters of blackheads when pressed on the skin. So I'm guessing you go like this or around the blackhead and stuff, and it would pull it out. Man, this is gonna be weird. So, but it's pretty, okay, so I'm not gonna do this now because I don't think I even have anything too much to do. But as far as you could feel and it's a pretty solid piece of metal, and it looks like it's good stainless steel. It doesn't look like it's rusted or anything like that. I would probably, before I use it, getting deep into anything like that, want to make sure it's all really clean. But it comes with all these different pieces and parts. So it comes with that loop. It comes with like 3 different ones that all look so similar. They have these little holes and stuff on there. This one has got tiny little holes. I guess you kind of put it around and push, and then it squeezes it out. Interesting. They all really, so here's another one here. So you can see it's got the little loop there and the loop on the end, and they have little bends on them and stuff to get different angles. I mean, it seems really well made and really durable, and it's a nice little case even it comes in too. Oh, this one here. What the heck is this one? Oh, this one's got a loop on this end, and then on this end here, it's called a lancet, so it pierces the blackheads. Holy, oh, that is one sharp little thing there. That is super sharp. So that's gonna pierce it, so if you need to poke it, man, I would totally sterilize all this stuff before using it though, man, like each time, because who knows what kind of infection you're gonna get. And then what's this one here? This one looks like a tweezer. Oh, it is a tweezer. So there's a tweezer with little hooks on it. Boy, that'll squeeze it really good, man. Oh man, it's like sharp little points. You can totally squeeze out a zit out of that one. Oh man. Okay. So pretty cool. Oh, and it comes with, oh, I see here. Okay, so I'm sitting here looking at the camera in there. I should be looking down here. It comes in this case. You see there's a little mirror there. So I can be doing this here, and I can go, oh, actually this mirror is surprisingly good. It must be a glass mirror because I can totally see myself really good in it. But yeah, this would be great for getting the zits out. Oh, geez. I don't even have any right now. I'm pretty good. But when I do, this would be good. Or if you like, some girls like to pick the guys' backs and stuff, man, this would be a great kit for that because you could totally just go through. They could just rip your whole back apart. But yeah, pretty neat little kit. And it's got the little kind of leathery looking inside and all. I'll move it up here closer so you can see. So this is what it looks like here. And close it up there. And it's got the little push button there. I cut my thumb when I was riding my bike the other day. The good stuff. Really convenient little kit, so you can take it on the road with you or anything. The pieces aren't gonna fall out. The latch keeps it really good and closed. And the tools really look like they're good quality for a pretty inexpensive kit. It looks really good quality. So I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up. I think this is really good. Right now I don't see any cons on it, but if I do encounter anything I don't like about it, I'll post it in the comments. But for right now, I really like it. So the good stuff, and it's the Blackhead removal tools with mirrored travel case, 5 pieces. And I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up, but be sure and like and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to increase my viewers so I can keep doing videos like this. But yeah, I really like this.